Hey everyone, welcome to another Trotec featured application. Today we are making a fire evacuation sign out of our TroLase textured plastics. For this application we used our speedy 400 120 watt laser with our standard TroLase textured settings. We will start with the engraving and then finish up by cutting the sign out. For this sign we used TroLase textured yellow on black. This material has a black core that is exposed when engraved. The textured matte surface is non-reflective, strong, and easy to clean, perfect for interior or exterior signage. After the material finishes processing, you'll want to wipe it off with a hexane cleaner to remove all of the residue. We also finished it off with a bit of coconut oil to really bring out the black engravings. And here's the finished product, a fire evacuation sign made from TroLase textured plastics. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time!